This audio is part 2 for class 8 for the subject of mathematics, chapter 1, rational numbers, which is being submitted to you on 5th April 2021. Now students, let us discuss few examples based on the properties of addition of rational numbers. So the first example here is verify the commutative property of addition for the following pair of rational number. So the first one is minus 8 upon 9 and 3 upon 5. Now, what is our commutative property? That is A plus B is equal to B plus A. So here A is minus 8 upon 9 and B is 3 upon 5. So we have to show that minus 8 upon 9 plus 3 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5 plus minus 8 upon 9. Now students, it is very important to solve left hand side and right hand side separately, right? So let us solve the left hand side first. Now in left hand side, minus 8 upon 9 plus 3 upon 5. Now LCM of 9 and 5 is 45. So 8 5s are 40. Now here since it is minus, so minus 40. The 9 3s are 27. So the answer is minus 13 upon 45. Clear? Now let us solve the right hand side. 3 upon 5 plus minus 8 upon 9 is equal to 27 plus minus of 40 upon 45. That is minus 13 upon 45. So right hand side is equal to left hand side. Hence the commutative property is verified. I hope it is clear to everyone now. Now let us discuss example number 2. Use rational numbers minus 4 upon 5, 7 upon 10 and minus, now it is 11 upon minus 20 to verify the associative property of the addition of rational numbers. So in the solution now, to show that minus 4 upon 5 plus, now within bracket, 7 upon 10 plus 11 upon minus 20 is equal to minus 4 upon 5 plus 7 upon 10, which is within the bracket, plus 11 upon minus 20. Now students, remember here this minus sign before 20 will come up, right? It will come here. So it will become minus 11 upon 20. That will do in the next step. So again here it is important to solve right hand side and left hand side separately. Now let us discuss the left hand side first. Now you can see in the left hand side, after taking the LCM of 10 and 20, it is 20 only. So after solving this, the answer is minus 13 upon 20. Similarly, right hand side, minus 4 upon 5 plus 7 upon 10. Here the LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. Clear? So here again, after solving this, the answer is minus 13 upon 20. Students, I am repeating, solve left hand side and right hand side separately. Also, solve the brackets first in both the cases. That is very important. Clear? So therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side and hence verified. Now let us discuss example number 3. Using the appropriate properties of addition, find the value of 3 upon 4 plus 5 upon 6 plus minus 1 upon 4 plus minus 7 upon 6. Now students, you can see that the first and the third term, the denominator is same, and in second and fourth term, the denominator is same. So after rearranging them, we will get 3 upon 4 plus minus 1 upon 4 in one bracket and 5 upon 6 plus minus 7 upon 6 in another bracket, and we'll use the sign of addition in between the two brackets, which is very important, right? So after solving the two brackets separately, we will get 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. So after taking the LCM again, that is 6, our final answer is 1 upon 6. So after rearranging them in order, the calculation becomes simple. Clear? Now let us discuss example number 4. The sum of two rational numbers is minus 5 upon 8. If one of these numbers is minus 7 upon 12, find the number. Now students, here one number is missing and the sum of those two numbers, that is given number and unknown number, is minus 7 upon 12. Sorry, minus 7 upon 12 is one of the number and the sum is minus 5 upon 8. So there are two methods to solve this question. The first method is sum of two numbers is minus 5 upon 8, right? And the one number is minus 7 upon 12. So therefore, the other number will be minus 5 upon 8 minus 7 upon 12. So minus and minus will become plus. So here it is minus 5 upon 8 plus 7 upon 12. Now the LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. So the answer is minus 1 upon 24. So the other number is minus 1 upon 24. But students, we can do the same question by assuming the unknown numbers as x. In that case, minus 7 upon 12 plus x is equal to minus 5 upon 8. So, x is equal to minus 5 upon 8, then minus of 7 upon 12. Again, the calculation will become same as we have done in the previous method. So, the answer is minus 1 upon 24. Now, with this explanation, I conclude this interactive session. Children, go through all the examples given in your textbook and do the following questions in Maths Register, that is from exercise 1A. Now do all these questions in your Maths Register and rest of the questions you can practice in your Rough Register. Thank you everyone.